Alright, for you people that don't know how to make one of these Mexican michelada cups that you see at the store, I'll make a quick video and show you how you're supposed to do it. First you want to cut off that little plastic thing on there. You want to peel it off. And you uncover the whole chili lip on it. Now you want to dump out the contents. You want to leave this in there. Some of these cups will come with it and some of them won't. It's like a little pit, salty and stuff. People like to suck it off. You're going to get your chili pack. You're going to dump the whole thing in there. All of them should come with the chili pack. Now, you need to use either a lime or a lemon. We like to use limes. Some people like to use lemons. Make sure it's a juicy one. You're going to use like half of a lime in there. What you want to do is you want to get the salt and stuff in here. Should be sort of like a liquidy mess. So you can see it kind of floats. That's enough lemon. Now you're going to get clamato. You're going to get the spicy one. And get it out of the fridge. You're going to need this right here. The spicy one is the better one. And give it a shake. Now inside of your cup you have two lines. The first line underneath is about... The first line underneath is towards the bottom side. Alright, so it's about an inch. About an inch or 2 inches. Right, so you're going to put some of this in there. Boom. Trey, can you get me a spoon? Alright, so yeah, so the second line is like right about here. Alright, and then all these cups it's the same thing. Now you want to do is mix it with your spoon. Now you're going to get your favorite light beer. We're going to use some Coors. And you're going to fill it up. There's a line at the top, right about right here, but right before this chili rim. And you're going to get foam because of the salt in here. Get the spoon, break some of that foam up so we can fill this up. See, I'm able to fit one of these. How big is this damn beer? 16 fluid ounce beers in here. And that's it. You can add salt to this. Not salt, but you can add ice to this. And there you go. Now you got yourself a michelada. And some people go to the store and see these cups and they're like, oh my god, what the hell do I do with that? Well, that's what you do with those. So there it is.